we have another awesome video worth over $475 million in luxury penthouse apartments. Feel free to put this video in the background while you eat, work, or get work done. Stunning views, massive rooms, and elegant entertaining spaces. Let's see what New York City has to offer. Let's get started with penthouse number 1, located on Park Avenue for $169 million. This penthouse has views for days. You can live here for weeks on end and still see something new with that amazing view. Being over 1,000 feet from the floor, you have your own private elevator that opens up directly to your suite. With privacy kept in mind, no one will be able to randomly just pop up to your suite or penthouse without security access. You have 6 amazing bedrooms with 7 spectacular bathrooms, with an additional 2 powder rooms, if 7 stunning bathrooms wasn't enough. With a beautiful and professional customized home like this, you get top brand designer pieces from Fendi, Hermes, and Bentley. And yes, it all comes included in the purchase. This penthouse is literally move-in ready. Even though some multi-millionaires don't even spend a single day in these stunning places, it's more of just an investment for them. In addition to all the designer brands that come with the house, you get amazing oak floors with a huge entertaining area for all your friends, families, and guests. Comment below if this is your dream penthouse. Let's go to penthouse number 2, located on Madison Avenue, worth over $97 million. Comment below if you are scared of heights or if you could live here no problem. This penthouse is called Le Penthouse, and it's only 1 block away from the infamous Empire State Building. It has a whopping 18,815 square feet of living space, comprised with 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, floor-to-ceiling windows, and stunning fireplaces. Let's not forget the 3,500 square foot of private outdoor space that is completely yours. You don't just get 1 floor to yourself, not 2, not 3, and not even 4. This penthouse covers 5 separate floors. This is like a mansion in the sky. Plus, amenities are included. The next penthouse is on 57th Street and is $66 million. This penthouse is on Billionaires Row and provides you with 3 full floors just for yourself, with gorgeous views of the city and Central Park. The 4-bed, 5-bath, 3-floor penthouse feels like a dream come true. You can even see the Statue of Liberty right from your house. The owner of this penthouse would gain spectacular building amenities as well, including pool, sauna, fitness center, and many more. If you haven't already, subscribe and comment below if you want to see regular/affordable apartment tours. or if you would like to see these super luxurious tours. Maybe we can do both. The next penthouse is on West 53 and is over $64 million. The building is also called the MoMA Expansion Tower and is linked to the New York City's Museum of Modern Art. The building is one of the newest additions to Billionaires Row, and the penthouse itself is not even just on one floor. It covers all of the 78th and 79th floor. This stunning place covers over 7,400 square feet of space. And since it encompasses the whole 2 floors, you get a full 360 degrees of gorgeous views. This penthouse has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with an amazing walk-in closet that can hold all your clothes, shoes, hats, coats, and even your sofas and tables for when you get a little tired. Don't forget, the ensuite master bathroom also has views for when you really need it. Let us know if you're watching from New York City, aka the Big Apple, or possibly a different country altogether. $79 million is the price of our next penthouse, which is also located on Park Avenue. Let us know in the comments if these kind of videos motivate you to work hard and dream big. This penthouse has 5 bedrooms, not 1, but 2 full master bathrooms and 4 guest bathrooms with an additional 2 powder rooms. This penthouse even has 2 separate offices and a very cool media room. This place is huge and would be great for entertaining, lounging, and working. Spectacular building amenities are also included with your enticing and luxurious penthouse suite. Plus, you get to work with a personal celebrity trainer. This penthouse comes included with an outdoor terrace, a private restaurant, and library, and children's place, for when the kids really need to get their energy out. Have you ever been in a penthouse suite in New York City before? We would love to hear from you in the comments.